buy a titty. Mining company be or Colombo or Musao Pretty or Western region. And now, anyway, where's the over? Mamma, you're 2-4 now, no. I would say, put down home of a and now, seems to say before I'm doing by.
Woman, the chair,
Yo, I grab out here for Angela. Now, Angela list, but on no can list now, no pencil, make Angela. One there, the German area, mining, there were Adamus Mining Company now, Konongo Mines, Lydia.
Alex Opemsuo, Human Resource Manager.
The friend BB up here, the director of Mines.
A golf chairman, president.
And I'm Patrick from Kwesisian, the director of Ojuma.
And I'm Patrick from Frederick Okain, the director of Ojuma.
And I'm Sir Emmanuel Yamoa, Health, Safety, Environment, Security, and Social and Governance.
Mr. Frank Katiaji, the acting general manager.
Many Nana say if we Northern Ashanti Mines Limited. Now, it your friend over mine.
Brofuna de Anwaka, Trina de Anwaka Brofuna.
We're from Northern Ashanti Mining Limited, formerly Obre Mining Limited. Nana Chami, as Nana knows, this has been one of the oldest mines in Ghana. Unfortunately, due to issues with the ore body, the mines had to close down for many years, more than 13 years. In 2019, Nguvu Mining came on board and partnered with Talos Mining Limited. So the representatives here are both directors and shareholders of Talos and Nguvu Mining. It's a wholly Ghanaian-owned company, and we commenced exploration in 2020, and God being so good, we've been able to not only prove up some more resources, but design a new plant to commence mining again at Konongo. Unfortunately, we're a bit behind on the construction. We had planned to commence next month, which is March, but due to illegal mining activities, which have frightened most of our banks away, it's been a bit difficult getting all the funding in place. But we're hoping that before the end of the year, we will commission. We're about 50% done with the construction of the plant. And we believe that once the plant commences, we will provide employment to over 1,000 people in the community. And our main problem is illegal mining. It's quite devastating what is going on there. In fact, it's a bit of a concern for us, because if we're not careful, by the time we're done with the construction of the plant, we won't have any ore to feed to the plant. So we want to plead with you to engage the chiefs and the political authorities, the government authorities, to assist us to rid the area of these illegal activities. All meetings we've had have proven futile. Until yesterday, we had a meeting with the regional minister, and we believe that he's willing to assist us, but with your encouragement, I'm sure it would go a long way to help facilitate it. I'd like to take this opportunity to ask you to convince Mr. Ening to come on board. I wasn't in the meeting, but my team tell me that he did an exceptional job helping with this matter. And yes, thank you so much.
See you on the refuge, been up more, you must say that. And for no, what that areas when we have 18 or more, no more assassins on the edge, man. And was a bit more towns as on my time, mine, no, legally, no. Almost half a shade in my gun, say for now. I'm saying, I say, hot in the refuge now, Mr. Mackay.
The refuge, the Kakana, Opemsuo Foundation, no. Na Mr. Seven Madnane to say, your donation, you're the First Atlantic Bank, your BCSA Children's Park, no. And see, I share a Jumanasia, your board, yeah. That's it.
Madam, I pray a year salt cutting and nearly to Julia, and I entered 25th of January, to Omba Kayam. Omne First Atlantic, nominate the primary sponsors. IBCC on my various attributes. They say the perimeter security and the park and the recreation and to form some kind of sponsors.
So, it's a cabin. Joe.
Running penny for your sister. And no more day, Omoduma Semse Abattoir anymore.
Joe.
No there, I
Joe.
discover honor. A good Southern Cross, Monsuko, Nina.
Joe.
As I bedrew Sabri. Say, Chai, Yen, Nipa, a sea, a wound in the any who secured the bay. Jessica, Nequambia was here the first of would be, I will say, Joe. You see, can I almost shame for dear cry the betrayal.
Joe.
Drew Babina, who said, I as auntie,
Joe.
Quiet breakfast, so I be in our mass. And my fair regional minister, my friend Gabanian, so him for Crow or
Joe.
Minister for Lands and so no so if it say cry.
Joe.
Babachi American, Galam say, and any man wants and papa.
Joe.
And yet there was a man who quite man.
Joe.
And Kanka, I buy no other sign crata, I say, this one may no church at home, and young crata there.
Joe.
Because Galam say, it's Yamra and Yanakwan.
Joe.
Say, if you can be a first was idea and be a
Joe.
Nipa so adwuma ombe na yam aboama nipa omsi ebetumi afakura be apem
Joe
saade an eche ye adwuma kase ebebo aye
Joe
mesro omsi nyama na ne che ye ebehwe ho
Joe
bi o ma wasi ehun e be sa afre o mu ne abusa wo mu no ma be cheche
was it all kind
Joe say da o ma se
Joe was what must say the mobile body there no no papa makwa so